Lines and Angles, Class 9, Exercise 6.2, question number 1. You see here, there are two parallel lines, AB and CD. These are two parallel lines, AB and CD, they are parallel. You have to prove AB and CD are there, and you have to prove that AB and CD are parallel lines. There are two lines, AB and CD, you have to show that they are parallel. If they are intersected by a transversal, which is making angle here 50 degrees, here X, here Y, and here 130. So you see these angles are given 50 degrees and 130 degrees. This is X and this is Y. This angle is X, this angle is Y. And you have to show that, the lines AB and CD are parallel. So first thing you see, we have to find out X. You see here, X plus 50 degrees, angle X plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair property. Linear pair. Linear pair means that their sum is, and sum of the angles is 180 degrees. So, because it's a straight line, so X is equal to 180 minus 50, that is equal to 130. Again you see, Y is equal to 130 degrees. Reason, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So Y is equal to 130 given in the figure, from figure. You see Y and 130 are vertically opposite angles, so they are equal. So Y is equal to 130 we are getting, and X is equal to, we are again also getting 130. Now you see, since X is equal to Y, X and Y both are equal, right? And then why? Because each is 130 degrees. And you see, X and Y are which type of angles? They are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. And since alternate interior angles are equal, therefore line AB is parallel to CD, and that proves your result. So again you see, here we have two lines AB and CD, and a transversal is there. This angle is X, this is 50, this is Y, and this is 130. You have to prove that AB and CD are parallel. AB and CD will be parallel if X and Y are equal, because they are alternate interior angles, and if pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel. So you see, X plus 50 is equal to 180 because they form linear pair. And so if from this you get X is equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130, and Y is equal to 130 because they are vertically opposite angles. So X and Y both are equal, and their value is equal to 130 each. So since alternate interior angles are equal, therefore line AB is parallel to CD, hence proved. Question number 2, you see, you have been given here three lines A, B, C, D and E, F, and all these three lines are parallel. It is given here that these three lines are parallel. It is given X, this angle is X, this is Y, and this is Z. And it is also given that Y ratio Z is equal to 3:7. Y is to Z is equal to 3:7. The ratio of this and this is 3:7. So this is Y, this is also Y. Okay. Because these are vertically opposite angles. Now, this is F, you can take this as G, you can take this as H, you can take this as I. You see, angle DHI is equal to Y, vertically opposite angles. Now, Y plus Z is equal to 180. y plus z is equal to 180. Reason: when there are two parallel lines intersected by a transversal, then the interior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. When two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then interior angles on same side. Same side means same, this angle and this angle. Their sum is equal to 180. This property is called as supplementary. So when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the interior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. So here you can write this reason: when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then interior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. You see here y plus z is equal to 180 and y is to z is given as 3 is to 7. So let y is equal to 3a and z will be equal to 7a. Let, because their ratio is 3 is to 7, so this is 3a, this is y is 3a, that is 7. Place these values here, so you get 3a plus 7a is equal to 180 degrees. This implies 10a is equal to 180 degree. That means a is equal to 18 degrees. A is equal to 18 degrees. Now the value of a is coming 18 degrees. You have to find out the value of x. So z angle is equal to what? You see, what is z angle? Angle z is equal to what? Angle x. Angle z is equal to angle x. Why? Because these are alternate interior angles. Pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So z is equal to x. Now angle x is equal to, what is z? Z value is equal to, given as z is equal to 7a. That is equal to 7 into 18. Okay, 7 into 18 degrees. A is equal to what? 18 degrees. 126 degrees. 7 into 18, 18 sevens are 126 degrees. So angle x is equal to 126 degrees. That is your answer. Question number 3, exercise 6.2 NCRT. Lines and angles. You see, question number 3, it says that AB is parallel to CD. These AB and CD both are parallel lines. And it is given that GED is equal to, GED means this whole angle is equal to 126 degrees. This angle is given as 126 degrees. And then you have to calculate, first of all, AGE, AGE means this angle you have to calculate. Then GEF, GEF means this angle you have to calculate. Then FGE, F is this, F is this, G is this, E is this. That means this angle you have to calculate. So you have to calculate here three things, 1, 2 and 3, all these three angles. Now first of all, let's start with angle AGE. Angle AGE. You see, angle AGE is equal to angle GED. GED. Reason: alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. These are alternate interior angles. This angle and this angle, both are alternate interior angles. So AGE is equal to GED. And GED is given as 126 degrees. So angle AGE is equal to 126 degrees. This first part has been done. Second is angle GEF. Angle GEF. So GEF, you see, is this angle, and GEF plus 90 degree You see, this is GEF and this is 90. GEF plus 90 degree is equal to angle GED, and that comes to be 126 degrees. So you see angle GEF is equal to 126 minus 90 degrees, that is equal to 36 degrees. So angle GEF is equal to 36 degrees. That is your second part. Again you see third part, that is FGE. F is this, G is this, E is this. So FGE, you see angle AGE plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is linear pair axiom or linear pair property. You can say linear pair property, linear pair, because they are forming linear pair, straight line. This is a straight line, so this angle plus this angle is 180. Now AGE, just now you have calculated in first part, it comes to be 126 degrees. So from here you can copy its value is equal to 126 degrees. Plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degrees. So if you transpose it that side, so you will get angle FGE is equal to 180 minus 126 degree. That is equal to 180 minus 126 degree is equal to 54 degrees. So angle FGE is equal to 54 degrees. This is your FGE angle is equal to 54 degrees. Okay. So like this way we have calculated all the parts here. Let's see it once again. AB and CD are both parallel lines first of all, and both are cut by this one line here, and this is perpendicular. This angle whole is given as from here to here is given as 126 degrees. You have to calculate number one this angle, and this angle. Three angles you have to calculate. Now first of all you see AGE is GED is equal to 126 degree, and this angle both are alternate angles. So you see when there are two parallel lines intersected by transversal, then these are alternate angles and these alternate angles are equal. They are called alternate interior angles. So AGE is equal to GED, that is alternate interior angles are equal when two lines are parallel. So AGE comes to be what? GED, that is equal to 126 degrees. Because it's given that GED is equal to 126. Again GEF plus 90 is equal to angle GED. You see this angle whole is given as 126. So GEF plus 90 is equal to GED, that is called given. That is from the figure you can say. You can say from figure. So you get this angle GEF is equal to 126 minus 90, that is equal to 36 degrees. So you get GEF is equal to 36 degrees. Okay. So first part is this, second part is this. Again you see AGE plus FGE. AGE plus FGE, their sum is equal to what? 180, because it's forming a straight line. And this angle is equal to 126, so FGE is equal to 180 minus 126, that is equal to 54 degrees. So FGE is equal to 54 degrees. Now this question number 4, it says, given as PQ is parallel to ST, this line and this line both are parallel, this and this both are parallel. And angle PQR is equal to 110, this angle is given as 110. Angle RST is equal to 130, this angle is given as 130. And you have to find out angle QRS, that is Q is this, R is this, S is this, so you have to calculate this angle. Okay, this angle is to be calculated. To solve this, what you will do, you will extend PQ here this side and extend it further like this way. Now it's given that PQ is parallel to ST, so this is also parallel to this. Okay. Now this is 110. So you see, you can take this point as PQ, RST, you can take this as U. This is your construction. So first point you see, angle, this angle is 110, so this is what? U, this point is U. So first of all, you see this is u, and this you can take this as v. U and v. These are points as u and v. This is u and this is v. Now you see angle VUR is equal to 130 degrees. Angle VUR is equal to 130. This is 130, so this is also 130. Because these are corresponding angles. So you see, therefore, reason is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. When two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the pair of corresponding angles formed are equal. Now you see, this angle is 130. So angle QVR, QUR is equal to, this angle will be 180 minus 130. Angle QUR is equal to 180 minus 130. So QUR is this angle. This angle is 180 minus this by linear pair property. Linear pair property. So this angle comes to be angle QUR is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degrees. So you see this angle comes to be how much? 50 degrees. Because this angle is 130, so by corresponding angles is also 130. This is a straight line, so this angle will be 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degrees. Similarly, you see angle UQR is equal to 180 minus 110. Same reason, linear pair. 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degrees. So angle UQR is equal to UQR, that means this angle is equal to 70 degrees. This angle comes to be how much? 70 degrees. This is 50 and this is 70. Now you have to calculate this. You see sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So this angle and this angle plus this angle will be equal to, giving you therefore angle QUR plus angle UQR plus angle QRS is equal to 180 degrees. Reason, sum of angles of a triangle is, sum of angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of the angles of triangle is 180, so sum of this angle plus this angle plus this angle, that is this plus this plus this, is equal to 180. Now you see QUR is equal to, you have already calculated QUR, that is equal to 50 degrees. So 50 degrees is this, 50 plus UQR that you have calculated as 70 plus angle QRS, that is equal to 180. Add this 7, 5, 12, 120. So 120 plus angle QRS is 180. So you see angle QRS is equal to 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degrees. So angle QRS is equal to 60 degrees. This is the answer. Okay. Again, here you are being given that this line and this line both are parallel. Only this and this are parallel. So this part and this part is given to you as parallel. And this angle is given as 130, this angle is given as 110. So what we do, we extend PQ here forward, in this direction we extend PQ here forward, and when we extend PQ here, this angle is this point where it intersects, that is point say U, and this is say V, we take. This angle is 130, so this is also 130 because these are corresponding angles. If it is a straight line, so you see this is a straight line, so this angle is 130, so this angle will be 180 minus 130, that is 50 degrees. Similarly, this is a straight line, this is 110, so this angle will be how much? 70 degrees. This 70 and this 50, add them, that is equal to what? 120. So 180 minus 120 will be this, that is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, the working is here.